Good morning, students. Welcome to the online classes of Leal Public School. How are you? Hope you all are good at home and enjoy your classes. Students, in the last video, we have completed our chapter number 1. I hope you all are done your work in your book and copies and send it to us. So, in this class, we are going to start our second chapter, which is number bond. Students, First of all, we know about number bond. What is number bond? A number bond is a model that represent a relationship between a total and its part. नंबर बॉन्ड जो होता है वो क्या करता है, रिप्रेजेंट करता है रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन टोटल एंड इट्स पार्ट. अब टोटल क्या होता है और इट्स पार्ट, इसके पार्ट्स क्या होते हैं, वो मैम आपको आगे बताएगी. Okay, students, a number bond is a simple addition of two numbers that add up to give the sum. Okay, number bond is about how a number is broken into a two parts. Look at this picture. What we see here? We see three circle here. We see three circle here. Okay, so how does a number bond look like? As you see, three circles and two lines here. Okay, two circles is called its part and one circle is called whole or total. Okay, now look at this. Yes, what you see? Three dogs are sitting. Three dogs are sitting there and three dogs are standing there. There are six dogs. Okay, so there are six dogs. Yes, now count them. 1, 2, 3. Two parts now. One part and two parts. So we write 3 and 3 here. And how many dogs are there? Total. Total we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why we write 6 here in total or whole. Is it clear? Two parts and one whole. ये क्या किसका होता है? ये नंबर बॉन्ड जो होता है उसका एक मॉडल होता है ना, और उसमें टू पार्ट्स होते हैं एंड वन टोटल और होल होता है. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट इज लुक एट दिस. यस, यू सी अ बॉय हियर एंड व्हाट ही सी. क्या क्या देख रहा है ये यहाँ पर? यस, he saw some flowers here. ये क्या देख रहा है? यहाँ पर कुछ flowers देख रहा है. Yes, how many flowers are there? Count with ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 flowers. Okay, and we write 6 in total. हमने 6 को कहाँ लिखा? हमने 6 को total में लिखा है. Okay, 2 flowers are red and 4 flowers are yellow. जो 2 flowers हैं, look at these flowers. These flowers are red and these all 4 flowers are yellow. और जो ये 4 flowers हैं, ये कैसे रंग के हैं? किस कलर के हैं ये? येलो कलर के हैं. सो इसको टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया ना, एक रेड एंड येलो. हाउ मेनी रेड फ्लावर्स? 2. दैट्स व्हाई वी राइट 2 इन फर्स्ट पार्ट. And how many yellow flowers are there? 4. We write 4 in second part. And we write total in a total. Okay, so what we write here? 6. How many flowers are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 flowers, so that's why we are write 6 in a total. Is that clear? What is number bond? Number bond has two parts. Okay, yes, one this parts and one it's called total or whole. Is that clear? Three circle. As you see, 3 circles are there and 2 lines. One circle is called this one. This one circle is called whole or total, and both two parts are called its parts. Is that clear? So moving to the next page, look at this. Yes, making numbers. How does a number bond look like? As you see, the 3 circles and 2 lines here. Again, you see 3 circles and 2 lines here. Its 2 circle is called its part and this circle is called its total or whole. Number bond helps see the numbers can be broken into pieces to make compensate earlier. Number bond help see the numbers can be broken into pieces to make computation easier. Okay. Look at this, making number bonds. Yes, put 3 cubes and 1 cube together. Okay, 1 cube together make a 4 cubes. क्या हुआ, जो 3 cubes थी और उसमें 1 cube को अगर हमने प्लस किया, so make a 4 cubes. Is that clear? Look at this, 3 cubes and 1. अब हमने क्या किया, इसको 2 parts है, इसके 2 parts में divide किया. So where we write 2. Yes, 1, 2, 3. We write 1 part here and we put 1 here. 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है ना हमने इसको. फर्स्ट पार्ट में हमने 3 क्यूब्स रखे हैं और एंड सेकंड पार्ट में हमने 1. एंड टुगेदर इज कॉल्ड टोटल. सो we put 4 cubes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that clear? Now next is how many cubes are there in each part. Look at this. As I told you before, this is number bond and this is its parts and this whole or total. We can make number bond by breaking 4 into 2 numbers. हमने क्या किया है, 4 को 2 numbers में break किया है ना, उसको तोड़ दिया है. Okay, like this, 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 3 and 1 make 4. This is a number bond. This is called a number bond. Now break 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cubes into 1, 2, 3 and 1 cube. Is that clear? Look at this. अब हमने क्या किया, इसको opposite कर दिया. सबसे पहले total and then its part. Okay, this is called also number bond. अब हमने 4 number को break किया है. Yes. So where we write 4 in total and 3 plus 1 its part. So we draw 3 cubes here and we draw 1 cube here. And how we write? Like this. 4 we write in whole and parts we write in its parts. 3 plus 1. Is that clear? Okay. Now moving to the next page. Yes, making 2. Yes. Here we see some more example of number bond. Okay. So first is making 2. There are 2 balls. There are 2 balls. One is blue and one is yellow. 1 and 1 make 2. Yes. So where we write 1 and 1? We write 1 and 1 on its part. And how many? There are how many balls? Yes, there are 2. That's why we are write 2 here in total. Is that clear? Next, making 3. Yes, there are 3 handkerchiefs. There are 3 handkerchiefs. Okay, so it means it's a total ना. ये इसका total हुआ ना. हमारे पास total कितने handkerchiefs है? 3. So we divide into 2 parts. अब हमको क्या करना है? इसको हमें 2 parts में divide करना है. So how we divide? Yes, we count first 2 red hanky in first part and we write 1 hanky, 1 number, its second part. So we write 2 and 1 its part in the part ना. हमने 2 और 1 को कहाँ लिखा है? नंबर बॉन्ड के पार्ट में लिखा है. And what is the total? Total is 3. So हमने क्या किया है? हमने making 3, हमने 3 को 2 parts में divide किया है. What is our answer? 2 and 1. 2 and 1. Okay. 2 and 1 make 3. 2 and 1 make 3. Next, making 4. Next, making 4. There are 4 leaves. There are 4 leaves. It means we have a total. हमारे पास total है. That's why we write 4 here in a total. And we divide 4 into 2 parts. अब हमें क्या करना है? 4 को 2 parts में divide करना है. So first 2 yellow leaves we write in first part and then we write 2 leaves in second part. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Is that clear? 2 and 2 make 4. 2 and 2 make 4. Making 5. Making 5. There are 5 teddy bears. There are 5 teddy bears. Yes, look at this. It means again we have a total. हमारे पास total था. Yes. Now we count. Yes. How many green teddy bears are there? How many? 1. That's why we write 1 here in the first part. And how many pink teddy bears are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pink teddy bears are there. So we write in second part 4. Okay, and I have 5 number here. Okay, also क्योंकि क्या था हमारे पास, टोटल हमारे पास पहले से ही था ना 5, that's why we are right 5 here. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 1 and 4 makes 5. 1 and 4 makes 5. Yes, again you see which other number combination can be used to make 5. अब हम कौन से अलग numbers का combination ले सकते हैं 5 को बनाने के लिए, 5 को make करने के लिए. Yes, look at this. How many green teddy bears are there? 2, 1 and 2. We write 2 here in first part. And how many pink teddy bears are there? Count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 teddy bears are there. That's why we write 3 here in second part. And how many teddy bears are there in all? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 teddy bears in all. That's why we write 5 here in total or its whole. Okay. 2 and 3 make 5. 2 and 3 makes 5. Is that clear, students? So I think that's enough for today's class. We will meet in next meeting. Till then, you practice it. Take care. Bye-bye.